Welcome to the final research project. First of all, congratulations on getting here. You've worked through an enormous amount of material. Now, before we get going, take a moment to reflect on that. Remember where we started off? We went from discovering what the scientific method is all about, all that history and philosophy of science, to some pretty tough statistics assignments in R. And all that in just 4 courses. That's amazing. But you're not done yet. With this final research project, we'll wrap up the specialization. Now, this course is a little different. There are no more lecture videos or weekly quizzes or even a final exam. In this course, you'll perform your own research study and go through all the steps of setting up an experimental design, operationalizing variables, collecting and analyzing data, and reporting the results. Now, in this course, we'll refer to each of these steps as a milestone. There are 6 milestones in total. Instead of quizzes or programming assignments, you'll receive and provide feedback on these milestones through peer review assignments. Now, we expect about 30 people to participate in the final research project. To keep the peer review assignments manageable for you, we'll provide you with a research topic. It simply wouldn't be feasible for us to coordinate 30 different research studies, and it wouldn't be feasible for you to review several totally different research projects each week. Of course, we don't want to stifle your creativity. We want to give you the opportunity to really make this your research study. So for milestone 1, you'll be able to formulate your own general hypothesis and design for the research question that we provide you with. To keep everyone on the same page, we will then continue with a collective hypothesis and design. This design will form the basis for milestone 2, where you'll specify your own more detailed design, including operationalizations and specific expectations. Now, at the end of week 2, we'll provide you again with a collective detailed design to move forward and perform the actual study with. For milestone 3, you'll create your own measurement and manipulation material. For milestone 4, you'll collect data through a collective online questionnaire that you can share on social media. You'll get access to the data that we collected in the previous session of this course. You'll use this data to complete milestones 5 and 6, where you analyze the data using R and complete the research project by reflecting on the results. Okay, if you can't wrap your head around this structure just yet, don't worry. It'll all become clear as we move from milestone to milestone. One thing that is important, though, is that you submit your milestones on time. The first 3 weeks mostly require a lot of thinking and relatively little writing. The second 3 weeks will be more labor-intensive, since you'll be brushing up on your R skills and writing the report. Now, all this hard work will be worth it, though. Once you've finished this course, you'll have covered all the methods and statistics material that you would normally see in an entire social or behavioral science undergraduate program. So in terms of course load, this amounts to about a quarter of a bachelor's degree program. With all this knowledge, you should be able to understand and critically evaluate scientific studies in any social science discipline, and be able to design and perform your own. That's pretty impressive, right? Okay, are you excited? Then let's get started.